You remember field day in school? A day full of competing in sports? Well, I don't. Fixing that today. I'm in Central Park for a cold black field day with a group of friends, and we're just gonna have a good time. About to compete in a variety of activities. Tag, potato sack race, tug of war. But more importantly, I'm gonna spend a good time with my friends and meet some new ones. So, let's go.
We took it back to first grade with Duck, Duck, Goose. As an adult game with a lot of people, it could get pretty intense. Was definitely surprised to be playing it, but I had a great time.
So I got tagged while I was vlogging, which means I got caught slipping. And it was my second time, so I'm officially out the game. Circle's getting smaller.
Bye, Justin.
Then we played chain tag, where if you get tagged, you became it with the group. I made it past a few rounds. Even though this was a solo game, once the it squad got too big, those of us left tried to devise a plan to survive.
People run right past them because they playing safety too.
And they put people in the back.
Oh wait, we should all run in the middle. But y'all gotta start off slow then. Oh, they got 12. Never mind, they got 12 people. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Break on 3. 1, 2, 3.
I ran my heart out, tried some jukes moves, did some spins. I pressed triangle for the jump. Really thought I was in Madden out there. I still got caught.
All right, I got tagged. I'm on the other side now. It's my partner. We're gonna try to get them. Crabs in a barrel. You guys are coming down with us.
After tag, we broke down into 3 groups and competed in different competitions.
I was very impressed. I gave you a handicap earlier. That was shocking. You got it? No. Oh, dang it, I got it.
Oh, yeah. I'm playing. Nope. Got it? Nope. You got it? Yeah.
There you go. 20, 28. Hurry up.
Then there was the 3-legged race.
Alright, get the hop.
The potato sack race, which I found that small, fast hops work best for me. Snatch the bacon. And the grand finale match was a 2 out of 3 series of tug of war with the 2 teams with the most points. My team won the first round. For the second round, we switched sides. By then, my team was in sync. All pull, one chant had me feeling like a Spartan out there. Ow!
We got first place. Look, I got a medal. Oh. Hey, I need to.
Where's the rest of the yellow team at?
Too much hair.
So we came in second?
Oh, no. There we go. You done good sir.
Yo, my team won. That was so much fun. We won the whole competition. Now grab a group of your friends and go do the same thing. Go outside and set up some activities for you to do. If your friends aren't there for that, Google some social leagues. They're out there and they're doing the same thing in your city. The important thing is you're out there and you're being active. In the words of George Bernard Shaw, we don't stop playing because we grow old. We grow old because we stop playing. So go out there and have a good time. My name is Ebis Hernandez and I'm going to keep playing. Tag, you're it.
Comment and let me know what you think. Shoot me over some photos or videos of you and your friends at field day. I'd love to see that. Also, check out my perfect pick playlist where I see a photo on Instagram that inspires me and I travel to that location to take the same pic of my own. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to join me on my next adventure. And remember, think big, live large.